Here's some vintage electronics trivia. Subscribe. What gaming system popularized 8-bit graphics? Is it A, Atari 2600, B, Dreamcast, C, Nintendo Entertainment System, or D, Neo Geo? The correct answer is C, Nintendo Entertainment System. What 1960s device transformed telecommunication? Is it A, speakerphone, B, telegraph, C, cell phone, or D, rotary dial? The correct answer is A, speakerphone. What type of record player uses direct drive? Is it A, belt drive, B, turntable, C, CD player, or D, gramophone? The correct answer is B, turntable. What type of cassette was introduced by Philips? Is it A, digital cassette, B, compact cassette, C, mini cassette, or D, micro cassette? The correct answer is B, compact cassette. What 1984 device is known for its user interface? Is it A, Sinclair ZX81, B, IBM PC, C, Apple Macintosh, or D, Commodore 64? The correct answer is C, Apple Macintosh. What laser-based technology revolutionized music? Is it A, MP3 format, B, CD-C vinyl records, or D, cassette tapes? The correct answer is B, CD. Which vintage device was essential for early cinema? Is it A, slide projector, B, projector, C, animation table, or D, sound recorder? The correct answer is B, projector. What storage medium was prominent in the 1980s? Is it A, floppy disk, B, SSD, C, thumb drive, or D, USB drive? The correct answer is A, floppy disk. Which device allowed users to control television remotely? Is it A, mouse, B, joystick, C, flip phone, or D, remote control? The correct answer is D, remote control. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.